Hello everyone, myself Sanmad Khan. Today I will teach you class 11th chemistry organic chapters, classification and nomenclature of organic compounds. First, classification of carbonic compound. These are divided in two parts. First is open chain compound, or a cyclic compound, Second is closed chain compound, compounds or cyclic compound. Means open chain compound or acyclic compound, and second is closed chain compound or cyclic compound. Closed chain compound, two parts. First is homocyclic compound, and second is heterocyclic compound. Now, heterocyclic compound is one type of compound, but homocyclic compound is divided two terms. First is and second. First is alicyclic compound, and second is aromatic cyclic compound. Now, classification of carbonic compound is divided to parts. First is open chain compound and second is closed chain compound, but closed chain compound divided two parts, homocyclic compound and heterocyclic compound, and next homocyclic compound is divided two terms, alicyclic compound and aromatic cyclic compound. First, open chain compound. In this chain, carbon are saturated in straight form and are single bonded. is known as open chain compound or straight chain compound. For example, CH3 C C C C. C is carbon. We will known as atomic number 6 is valence electronic configuration 2 6 2 4. Now valency is 4 in show of electron 4 1 2 3 and 4 1 2 3 and 4 1 2 3 and 4. Carbon carbon sharing electron from each other are saturate single bonded single bonded single bonded. Now least electron of carbon is a show of hydrogen bond. One electron, one electron, one electron, one, now and one, now and one. Each separated from CH3, CH2, single bond, CH2, single bond, CH3. Now is the root word, counting of root words carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 carbon is but and bonded are single, so is alkane series. Now suffix is N is called butane. Now it's clear. And second, closed chain compound. In these chain, carbon carbon bonded to each other from a closed is known as closed chain compound. For example, these are divided two types, homocyclic and heterocyclic. Hetero differ. Now homocyclic compound for example, carbon, 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 1, 2, 3 and now 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Are sharing to each other 1 and 1 electron, are bonded single, now next bonded is single and now next bonded is single. And the least carbon atom 1 is hydrogen bond and next hydrogen bond and hydrogen bond and hydrogen bond. CH2 and CH2 and CH2 and CH2 in form of bond, single bond. Now series is alkane, for suffix is N. These are cycloform. This is a cycloform. But now numbering is 1, 2 and 3. Now naming is one, two, three. Prefix is cyclo. Cyclo 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon is root word pro and bond are single. For suffix is n. And now cyclopropane is a closed chain compound or homocyclic compound because its bond are single. And second, 1, 2, 3, 4 bonded to each other, single and now single. One least carbon atoms, hydrogen, hydrogen, one hydrogen and one hydrogen and one. Next one, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond. Naming is 1, 2, 3 and 4. R prefix is cyclo because is closed form, because is saturated in a closed form. For prefix is cyclo. Now root word is 4 carbon number. But is bonded single in a series of alkane. Alkane is prefix. Alkane is suffix n. Now but and n. Now final is cyclobutane. Cyclobutane, for example, is homocyclic compound because CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond are the same number of carbon and bond are same. So is homocyclic compound. Clear? Next is heterocyclic compound. Hetero. Second is closed chain compound is divided. First is homocyclic compound and second is heterocyclic compound. First is clear, homocyclic compound is clear and second. Now second is heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compound because is my health issues, so forget it. Heterocyclic compound hetero means differ, cyclo compound is same. Now carbon saturate in form of differ form, so carbon and